Is there something wrong with your TST e-bike after trying to do the speed unlock? Don't worry about it. You're not alone. I've reviewed a couple of these TST e-bikes now, and one of my favorite things to do with all of them is get the speed unlock done. And I've done a couple of videos on it now, and I've noticed there's people that seem to be getting part of the process wrong, and their bikes stop working. Wah, wah. But in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. Get that bike not only ripping at top speed, but also how to fix mistakes that you might have made. So, mistake number one. You put the bike from miles per hour into kilometers. It's an easy mistake. And what happens is people think that P1 might be the speed adjustment. So they change that from 0 to 1, and now they're stuck in kilometers. That's an easy fix. You get into the menus by holding down the plus and minus at the same time. You go back to the P1, just change that 1 back to a 0, and now you're back on miles per hour. Problem number one, solved. Mistake number two that people make while trying to unlock these TST e-bikes is they accidentally turn off the 0 start. So if you're at P2 and you change that 0 to a 1, what's going to happen now is when you go out of this menu, the bike is going to seem like it's broken. I've seen so many comments where people are saying, my bike doesn't work anymore now. Even on PAS 5, it won't go. And see, it's not going. But that's because it's not having the 0 start. It won't start from 0 miles per hour. You have to be moving when the 0 start is turned off to engage the motor. Most people don't like that. Neither do I. So I'm going to go back in here to P2 and set this back down to 0. Now watch what happens when we come out of this menu is you'll see that I'm able to go ahead and I guess I'll have to tilt the bike here so that the tire's off the ground, but tilt the bike and we'll push this throttle and you'll see that I'm going to get all the way up 28 miles an hour. Nice and easy. So right from 0 to 28, that's called 0 start. If you turn that off, you're not going to be able to go from 0 miles per hour and you're going to think that your bike is broken. But the easy way to fix it is just turn that back off. Now guys, I'm going to show you how to actually get this thing hacked for top speed. And the way you do it is you turn it off and you have to turn it on using a special procedure. So hold the brake. That is one thing that a lot of people leave out is not holding the brake all the way. So make sure you hold that all the way. Then you turn it on while holding the plus and minus button. And what you're going to notice is that as soon as it comes on, this top line is flashing. Now that means that you're able to actually get in to the secret menu with not just P1 and P2, but P3. When you change that to a 1 instead of a 0, now you have your speed unlocked. But you can see when you don't press any buttons and you come out of that menu, this top line is still flashing. So you actually still have access to that P3. As long as that top line is flashing, that means that your secret menu is unlocked. But what you have to do in order to save that setting after you're done getting the power unlock set is just go ahead and turn the bike off and then back on again. So that's what I'm going to do right now is just turn this bike off and then I'll power it back on again. And now that setting that I did there where I changed the speed from 0 to 1 so that I could unlock the higher max speed setting has been saved and the bike is ready to rip. I hope that this helped you guys out. I hope that this kind of explained some of the things that could have maybe gone wrong while you're trying to do the speed unlock procedure. And I hope that it definitely helped you get this thing fully unlocked because it is so much fun being able to go that higher top speed. If you guys like this video, check out one of the other couple of videos I've got up on screen for y'all right now. And until next time, keep riding, stay free. I love you guys.